So you think that these items are sought after?
Wait till you see our new listing at 61 Park Ave in South Hadley. That's sought after. Oh, please excuse me while I take this call. Hi, Realtor Amy Kelly. How can I help you? Oh, yes. Oh, you're looking for a newer ranch-style home in South Hadley? With a private yard on a dead-end street? A view would be incredible? Gotcha. Well, if I have this right, you want all your living to be done on one floor. And hardwood floors would be ideal, but not a deal breaker. And the kitchen must have a pantry and direct access off the 2-car garage to make things easier when you're bringing groceries in. And 3 nicely sized bedrooms and 2 full baths, with one of them being the master bath. Gotcha. Okay. So above all, it needs to have central air and a large finished basement. Or that's a deal breaker. Is that correct? Well, consider this your lucky day, because I've just listed the house you just described, and on top of it, it has this amazing back screened-in porch. When can you see it? Anytime you want to. I'm able to show it to you virtually or in person, but we need to make sure we keep our 6 feet for social distancing. And on top of it, we have an added layer of protection, face mask or gloves to offer you. I've received several phone calls just like that one over the last few years. Everybody wanting to see a house like this. Well, now it's your opportunity. 61 Park Ave in South Hadley. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband, Tom.
And we're your real estate professionals. Until next time, happy house hunting.